Hi there, I'm Rachel from Away with the Fairies, and today we're on a really special mission at Moyglass National School, and it looks like they've got an area that's going to be just perfect for some new fairy housing. So the first house we've helped construct is this fairy castle. Now this is going to be for the fairy king and queen of the area. We've even popped a special fairy throne for them to sit on so they can survey their kingdom. We were invited by the school to create a fairy area for the children to enjoy. We installed a variety of fairy houses and fairy doors. We even created some personalised fairy doors for the children. We added a beautiful hand-painted sign to finish off the look. So this is the special Moyglass National School fairy door. It's going to create a magical portal between the inside and the outside. And the children can leave little notes for the fairies without going out in the rain. So the teachers at Moyglass all got involved, preparing the area for the children's arrival with the addition of lots of colourful ribbons. So we're just waiting for all the kids to arrive. It's Monday morning at the school, and they're going to come out and see the fairy garden for the first time. So we've put a ribbon across so that they can officially open it and welcome the fairies into their new home.
I love that screen as well. What a wonderful idea! No more cares in the world! Let's go play in our Moyglass fairy garden! Yay! 1, 2, 3,
yay! And Fernando was here the first day I came to Moyglass, long time ago. And Fernando is my friend, and every time that I feel getting down a little bit, I come out and I visit Fernando. I say, Fernando, help me! And you know something? I'm bouncing off again with a smile on my face. So give a big round of applause for Fernando.
The children wanted to play some live music to welcome the new fairies to the school.
In our school we got a new fairy garden, and I was very excited about it because now we have fairies living in Moyglass.
My favourite house was probably the tree with the little owl. I really liked that one.
And my favourite one was probably the castle because it was big and it had a balcony.
I like them because some of them are big, yeah, and they're up high, and some of them are small.
What kind of fairies do you think are going to be living in the school?
I think the blue one.
The blue ones?
They can be blue fairies.
Yeah?
Yeah. My favourite one's the one up there. I really excited about the fairy doors.
My favourite one is that one.
I think it's deadly.
So the children have always loved the area behind us, and they've always found it to be an area where they like climbing on the trees, interacting. So I suppose when we looked at the area we felt that it would be a really nice place for some magical fairies to move into, and the reaction we had this morning from the children has been amazing. They've really loved seeing the new fairies and the fairy houses. We were delighted to see that the fairies had introduced a fairy door inside in the school building. So that fairy door will have a little post office or a little post box. So if the children are concerned about anything or if they have little worries, they might write them down, give them to the fairies in the hope that the fairies will magically come in through the little tunnel underneath the school, that they could come into the school building and take away all of our worries and concerns.
So as you can see, the kids and teachers at Moy Glass School are absolutely delighted with their new fairy garden, and it's going to have loads of benefits. If you'd like your own fairy garden in your school or perhaps home or business, we'd love to help you out. Just pop over to our website for more details. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.